Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you've been searching for a contour stick that actually delivers on both performance and hydration, I've got something that might just make your makeup routine a whole lot easier. Today, we're talking about the Milk Makeup Sculpt Stick, a cool-toned, buildable cream contour designed to add depth and dimension to your face with a hydrating twist. The Milk Makeup Sculpt Stick promises a matte finish with a formula that's both hydrating and easy to build. Infused with thyme extract and mango butter, this product aims to smooth the skin while sculpting your face. It's formulated for fair to light skin tones, and I'll be testing out the shade Toasted. So how did this perform in my daily routine? Let's get into it. From the moment I applied it, I was impressed by how creamy the texture is. The stick glided on effortlessly without any tugging, always a plus when you're working with cream contours. When blending, I found that the formula gave me enough time to work it into my skin, creating a seamless finish without looking patchy. I used it along my cheekbones, jawline, and around my forehead, as that's where I typically contour to add shape and definition. It's buildable, which is perfect for those who want a soft, natural look or something more defined. Now, let's talk about the scent and texture. This was a surprise for me. The mango butter in the formula left it feeling moisturizing and smooth, and there was a subtle but pleasant scent, nothing too overpowering. It made applying the contour a more enjoyable experience, especially since some matte products can feel drying. When I wore it throughout the day, it stayed put without any noticeable fading. This contour stick does claim to be hydrating, and I do think it lives up to that. My skin didn't feel tight or dry, which is a concern I often have with matte products. So I'd say it's perfect for those with normal to dry skin who are looking for a contour that doesn't leave the face feeling like the Sahara. One downside? While it worked great for sculpting, the cool tone shade might not be as flattering on deeper skin tones. For those with medium to deep skin, you might want to look at other shades in the Milk Makeup range or similar products that offer a more neutral or warm tone. The value for money is a bit of a mixed bag. At a higher price point for a contour stick, you're paying not only for the formula, but also the brand's commitment to cruelty-free, high-quality ingredients. But for those on a tighter budget, there are certainly other options that could give you similar results for less. When comparing this contour stick to others on the market, it's definitely one of the more hydrating options I've tried. Many cream contours can feel heavy and hard to blend, but Milk Makeup has done a great job of creating a lightweight, buildable formula that doesn't settle into fine lines. In terms of build quality, the stick is sturdy and well packaged, and the product has lasted a while. I've been using it regularly for a few weeks now, and I haven't seen any signs of it drying out or losing its smooth texture. I didn't have to contact Milk Makeup's customer support for this product, but the brand is well known for its responsive service and dedication to helping customers with any inquiries. As for product alternatives, there are plenty of budget-friendly contour sticks out there that are hydrating, such as the ELF Cosmetics Hydrating Putty Bronzer, which might not give the same cool tone sculpting, but definitely works well for adding warmth. However, if you're willing to splurge a little, this sculpt stick is an excellent choice for a fresh, hydrated contour that blends beautifully. So does the Milk Makeup Sculpt Stick live up to its claims? Yes, it does. It provides a smooth, buildable contour with a hydrating finish, and I think it's perfect for anyone looking for that sculpted look without the dryness that can come with matte formulas. If you have fair to light skin and love the idea of a creamy, easy to blend contour, this is one to try. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you can stay updated with more beauty reviews here on Beautyistic. Your support helps us keep creating honest content like this. And if you've tried this contour stick, drop a comment below and share your experience. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.